In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of light circle on iPhone screen. So if you noticed this particular light circle on your iPhone, then you can easily get rid of this by deleting it or turning off this feature on your iPhone. However, if you click on this icon, then you should see different options about your iPhone light cycle. But if this is what irritates you, you can easily disable or turn off this light cycle on your iPhone. Now, if this is helpful and educative, please do like and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos just like this. Now, to get rid of this light cycle your iPhone to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down and click on accessibility. Then under accessibility, locate physical and motor and tap touch. Once you tap that, come down here, then it's a feature called assistive touch. Click on this. Then make sure assistive touch is turned off. So once that is turned off, let's go back to the iPhone screen and you see that the iPhone light cycle would have been disappeared. So the light cycle is as a result of you enabling the assistive touch feature on your iPhone. So to turn off this or to remove the light cycle on your iPhone, you need to turn it off on your iPhone settings. So this is how to get rid of the light cycle on iPhone screen.